fist up the mic. Ay, I'm sipping, drink with the cup with the ice. Fuck nigga, play, lose it, life. Ay, I'm shooting a whole clip, went down, shoot twice. These niggas.
Okay, so we back at it with another banger video. I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back. And this video is highly requested, so I'm gonna show y'all how I do my little swoop. My butt. So if you wanna see how I do that, keep watching. You're gonna need some Ecostyler. I use the clear one with the orange writing because it holds my swoop down the best. This is optional. This is for my curls. I'll explain this when I get there. Some water. This is also optional, like some little clips. A paddle brush. A paddle brush. A comb. A wide tooth comb. And I use 2 different toothbrushes for my edges. And a hard bristle brush. And a rat tail comb, but I forgot that. So, first thing, what you gonna do? You gonna start off with your hair out. So if I'm looking over here, my vanity's over here, and I kinda gotta like see myself do this. But you're gonna start with your hair out. You feel me? Bitch, no. You wanna make sure your hair is combed out before you start the style, because you don't want to have to deal with the naps later on in the style. So you want to make sure your hair is fully detangled. Okay, so then, how do I start this? Okay, so I start from my eyebrow, right? And I go up. That's my first mark, okay? So when you use your eyebrow as a guide, because your swoop don't need to be, we don't want no heavy swoop, right? We just want a nice little, cute little swoop. So, I thought it was dry. And then you want to go on the other side, you want to do the same thing with your other eyebrow. You want to take it out. Okay? So this is eyebrow to eyebrow with an arch, not really like the whole eyebrow. Your arch on each side as a guide. Use your arch as your guide. So this is going to be your swoop, okay? This is your swoop. So now, we just have the bun part, okay? And doing the bun is very easy. I just said make sure your hair and my hair already nappy again. So, now what I'm doing, I'm just brushing my hair up to my desired height that I want my bun to be. And usually I do my bun pretty high, but I'm gonna show y'all a trick, okay? Because sometimes if you just brush it all back, you can lose like your straight line or your swoop. So I like to just comb mine like around in a little. That makes sense? Like, you know how you do your baby hair and they like swoop, swoop? You want to swoop your hair. So now that I got my little, I have hair time on. Now that I got the mold for my bun, I'm gonna just take some water. And I got the spray bottle from Sally's. It was like $2 maybe, and it leaks. Like, y'all see this? Hold on. Y'all see how it leaks? I hate that. So I'm just gonna spray my hair, not my bun, but just like the base that has to be slick. Okay. Then I'm just gonna comb it again, cause sometimes I have a lot of gel in my hair, so I never have to like put gel on there again. So I'm just seeing if I need to add some gel to my hair. before I put it up. And it really doesn't look like I need to. But I'm gonna just do it for the video purposes. So again, I just comb it up with my comb and then I tie it back in a little shit bun. Go in with your Eco. Go in with your Eco. And I really just like touch the sides in the back, the kitchen area. You dig me? And then I take my hard bristle brush and I brush everything up. So I don't have to do that later. Then I'm gonna get a hair tie. I'm gonna just take this one. Please do not break. And I'm just gonna tie my hair in a bun. Once this is tied up, you have this little, okay? Me personally, I'll wear a poofy bun, but if you want your bun to look nice, I'm gonna take this Kair, I think that's how you say it, natural shea butter cholesterol cream. It has shea butter, aloe, all that good stuff for your hair, okay? It's really thick too. So I'm gonna just take a little bit, put it in the palm of my hand, take some water, mix some water, and put it in my bun. Just to moisturize my curls because, baby, they're a little dry now. You get me? They won't even dry. Like, my hair was moisturized, but my curls just was not popping. So, I personally, the bun that I'm doing today, I want my curls to be popping. So now that I got my curls, like, you feel me, semi-cute or whatever, I'm gonna like pick what kind of bun I like. So sometimes I do like 2 elastics to where I have like a tall ninja bun, or sometimes I do 1, or I'll fold it over and pin it. It just depends on what kind of bun look you're going for. So create your bun the way you like. I'm just gonna do a ninja bun because that's the easiest and I'm good at that. So I'm just gonna take 2 elastics and I'm just gonna put 1 at the base and 1 in the middle. Fix as desired. Now, we're gonna work on our swoopity swoop. So, I'm just gonna comb out the front of my swoop. Again, to make sure there's no tangles, nothing. So, if y'all didn't know, I cut my hair and it's growing back, you know, like I said in the beginning, I think. So sometimes it's kind of hard to get like a real nice, like, good swoop, like swoop. But practice, my love. That's all it takes. So I'm not gonna spray water on this because it's gonna make my hair curl up, which is gonna make the gel harder. Like like it harder for my hair to like slick down, if that makes sense. That's just my hair personally. So I'm just gonna take about this much gel. This should be enough. It might not be enough. And I'm gonna put it on top and all through. I'm gonna comb it through while using my other hand to make sure it stays flat and that it does not curl up. Like I said, it was not gonna be no deal. So if you can find a comb thinner than this, that would be better. I don't think I have one, so well, I was looking for a smaller comb to use, but I couldn't find one. So we're just gonna have to use what we have. So now I'm just using the tip of my comb to shape like how deep I want the swoop. If I want the swoop to be like a swoopty swoop, or like just a straight line. You can do waves, whatever your heart desires. So now once I got like the basic shape, this is okay. But once I have like my basic shape, I'm gonna take a hard bristle brush and I'm just gonna brush it to make sure it stays flat. So now, when you get to like this part where you have like the little dangling, you can either pin it or you can try to swoop it up with the rest of your hair. I usually swoop it up with the rest of my hair. You feel me? And take like a little toothbrush and go in and like make sure it's real and secure. So now I'm just gonna take my toothbrush, go back in my gel, and do my edges.
These niggas be snakes, no radio. I'm hitting your bitch, I'm recording. Shoot from the through like I'm golden. Spin on your block in the doorway. Ain't ducking no smoke, better play it safe.
That's all for this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Show your mama, your daddy, and your bald-headed neighbor. Y'all already know the vibes. But I'm gonna be coming back with Bangerz prank video for way. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Y'all know the vibes.